Hello and welcome to Pay the Pullman. Today we're going to walk through how to add a card on file and how to set a monthly charge date. So first thing you'll do is look up a customer, and you do have to send out a request per customer because it's specifically linked to their customer name in your Stripe account. And there is not a mass way to send out a request, just as a quick reminder. So you can do a few things here in the credit card section. You can add a new card, and this is going to be you typing in the information for that customer, or maybe you already have their card and you just charge it when they ask each month. You can still just type that information here and store it here in Stripe so it is PCI compliant. And then you can request via text or via email. We'll take a look at the via email version so that you can see what your customer will see. So let's go take a look at that email. Okay, so this is an example of the email your customer is going to get to update/add that card on file. We'll just click update card here. And we're taken to this screen where your customer will take care of this and they can agree to these terms and start entering their info. Okay, so now that customer has added their card information and they'll be brought to this successful screen, let's head back to our Pay the Pullman and add a monthly charge date. And now we're back on our credit card screen, and to add a monthly charge date, we click Add Monthly Charging. We click whichever date we want. As a reminder, if this is for a service customer, make sure you're running your billing before you have this charge date. For example, if you run your billing on maybe the 1st through the 3rd, sometime in that date range, set this for the 4th or the 5th so that you can make sure you have time to generate that invoice and create that invoice before this charge goes through, because this charge is going to charge the last created invoice. So we're going to set our monthly charge date for the 5th, and we're going to say yes, we want them to get an email receipt, and we see information here, and we can save our charging details, and we see that this monthly charge has been updated and we are good to go. And that is how you are going to add a monthly charge. As a note, you can also open up an invoice and click charge card on file or pay with card. Pay with card will bring up a screen where you can type in a card. So if you're on site, you can charge that way. If you have any questions about adding a credit card on file or selecting a monthly charge date, please let us know. We'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.